As a kid on my grandparents' farm, riding snowmobiles and dirt bikes, I just thought of it as transportation. Now I just realize that all of those early memories, I have transitioned into what is a passion, and I'm so fortunate to have had that my whole life. Exploration and travel is just, it ignites my soul, it really does. I've always related things to both food and adventure. So I like to create food while I am out doing adventure sports. We go up in the mountains, 10,000 feet, you're not finding restaurants. So you're really having to pack that cold sandwich, possibly a granola bar. And sometimes you're not gonna wanna stay out as much without a hot meal. So a few years ago, I received this really cool gift. It was this stainless steel, all-enclosed container that you're able to cook under the hood of your snowmobile, your off-road vehicle. We go riding, about 3 hours in, we stop, and we have this hot, juicy, cheesy, meal on the trail when it's really cold out. It's just the best. I always say that meals are memories. A lot of times we think of food as we just need to eat quick around a dinner table and be done. But I always remember the meal by the location. So our journey is just trying to find that next one. I'm Gina Forwerda, and I'm fueled by culinary exploration.